Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut export error, all right? This error might be due to your hardware or your GPU specifically, all right? Your GPU might or can't be able to handle the video for exporting, all right? Now, the way to fix that is just by going to the menu button right here at the top left. Click on it. Now go ahead over to settings, all right? Click on settings. Now you will have this tab. What we're going to do here is just go ahead over to performance. Go to performance section. Now in here, what we're going to do is just find this one, encode and decode, all right? In here, you're going to want to untick speed up hardware encoding. Untick this one, hit on save. Now just go ahead and hit on export. Let's say, for example, this one right here, I'm going to hit on export. Once done, you should be able to export smoothly, all right? That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.